make money doing nothing. With the rise of smartphones and tablets, the demand for wireless internet has increased. Wi-Fi hotspots have become a way to make some extra money by sharing your connection with others. There are a number of great programs out there that you can use to share your connection for free or for profit. Do nothing and just share your Wi-Fi connection and get paid. Wi-Fi hotspots are a great way to make some extra money. In this video, I will discuss the different services that let you can make money as a Wi-Fi hotspot provider. If you have a reliable and fast internet connection, then you can make money by becoming a Wi-Fi hotspot provider. You can do this through the use of your home internet or using a cell phone signal. With a reliable and fast internet connection, you can make money by becoming a Wi-Fi hotspot provider. You can do this through the use of your home internet or using a cell phone signal. As more people are switching from landlines to cell phones, this could be a great opportunity to make some extra cash. These are the website or apps that you can download to get started.